So why don't you guys come along with me and I'll show you how to take a Coleman Mach 8 air conditioner off an RV, even though I've never done it before. Okay, so yesterday I came into Silver and the air conditioner seemed louder than normal. And I didn't think anything about it. That was my first mistake. I should have recognized that it didn't sound right and I should have shut it off and investigated then. But I was very busy at the time and I just didn't do it. So a few hours later, I had to come back into Silver and the temperature in here was roughly 100 degrees. The air conditioner was running on full blast, but it didn't sound, it was very quiet now. So this morning I climbed up on the roof and there's a little video of what I found up there. The condensing fan blade exploded, wound up tearing the condensing fan motor off of the base of the air conditioner. This leaves me two options. I can remove the air conditioner to put the bolts back in the bottom and then buy a new set of fan blades and reinstall the air conditioner, or I can replace the air conditioner. Now this air conditioner is 5 years old and we have a lot of trips planned for this coach, and I was able to locate one for a very reasonable price, brand new in the box. And I have a 13,500 BTU air conditioner and this one is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. So we're going to replace it. There's several items that go with that. This air conditioner weighs about 100 pounds and it's on the roof. So I have to figure out how to get the old one down and how to bring the new one up there and put it into place. Now on the plus side, they say it's just a few bolts and screws and it will come right off. So we're gonna start that disassembly now. All right, so we have a Coleman Mach 8 that is controlled by a thermostat on the wall. So the first thing we have to do to take this down is remove this outer cover. And that will allow us access to the screws that actually bolt it to the roof. So I'm gonna remove the filter housing. There we go. I'm gonna remove the filter housing. There are 7 screws that have to come out and this will come off. I've already removed some of the screws. Okay. Now, if you have a Coleman Mach 8, this is an area that you want to look at, and that's this divider. This divider separates the air going into the unit from the air coming out of the unit, and you can see the squirrel cages are right here and they're in great shape on this unit, and this is the ducting that sends it out to the ductwork. So all that's left remaining to hold this on here are these 4 screws and the electrical box up here that contains the thermostat. So I'm going to have to get that off. Then we'll be able to remove these screws and that air conditioner will be loose. All right, now before beginning any project like this, make sure you turn off the AC and DC electrical power to the air conditioner. You don't want to short something out while your hands are up inside there. There are 4 screws that look just like that. One, there's one back here, and then, well, you get the picture. There are 4 screws that hold this air conditioner to the roof. And this is what they look like. Got a little 5/16 head on them. So once we remove these 4 screws, this air conditioner will be loose and we'll be able to move it around on the roof, pull it down, put the new one up, center it over this hole, put these 4 screws back in, and then very important that we tighten the gasket down until these little tabs are equal with the roof line, and the air conditioner will be replaced, and we'll just have to hook the wires back up. So here we go. They're long. Now that's what holds this header plate on. So we're gonna pull it down as well. It should come right off, just like that. And there we go. All right, so now I should literally be able to push up and the air conditioner is loose. So there we go. I guess I'm moving to the roof now.
Yeah, I just want to stab it, go around the hole.
Yeah. Okay, so there's the hole, and it's actually clean. I'm very impressed at how clean it is. Okay, so we've cleaned it all up. Back to original roof. There's the ducting that goes through the rig. We move the unit to the back, and we're going to take the cover off. We're going to see if we can put it down on the ground. Okay, guys. Well, there is our new 15,000 BTU air conditioner. No heat pump in the new model, but honestly, we didn't use the heat pump, so we're gonna go test it. On a scale from 1 to 10, how hard was this to do? Mechanically, I'd give it a 4. Physically, because you have to get it up onto the roof and get it off the roof, I'd give it an 8. Could you do it yourself? Absolutely. There are a ton of YouTube videos out there on how this is done. Are we happy with it? Oh yes. Yes, the 15,000 BTUs has really cooled this unit off in here. This rig is much better, and it is whisper quiet now when it's on, which the other one was not. We did lose the heat pump. Honestly, we didn't use the heat pump. If we need heat, we either run our auxiliary heat or we run the furnace on board. So I didn't view that as a great loss. I'm very pleased with this. And hey, we've got air conditioning in Southwest Florida where it's currently 84 degrees today, so we're happy to have it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw that maybe some of these tasks are not as difficult as you think they are. This was literally plug and play. I was replacing the same type of unit that I took off, and fortunately for me, these Coleman Mach 8s back fit. This one has all the latest upgrades. I'm really thrilled with it. Get out there and enjoy it. We'll see you next time.